A close-up shot of a curious little fairy with bright, sparkling wings peeking out from behind a giant, colorful mushroom. Sunlight filters through the leaves of towering trees, casting dappled light on the forest floor. Think big, curious eyes and a friendly smile. The little fairy, Lilly, flutters out from behind the mushroom, revealing a vibrant dress made of flower petals and leaves. She holds a tiny lantern, glowing with a soft, warm light. Show Lily's full outfit with details like dewdrops on the petals. Lilly flies through a magical forest filled with bioluminescent flowers, glowing mushrooms, and sparkling streams. Fireflies dance around her, creating a twinkling path. Use vibrant colors and a sense of wonder. Lilly encounters a friendly talking ladybug perched on a giant daisy. The ladybug points a tiny red leg towards a shimmering waterfall in the distance. Make the ladybug cute and helpful. Lilly reaches the waterfall, which cascades down into a crystal-clear pool. A rainbow arcs across the mist, rising from the water. A tiny, glittering key rests on a smooth rock beside the pool. Capture the beauty of the waterfall and the mystery of the key. Lilly holds the tiny key up to the light, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. Behind the waterfall, a hint of a hidden world peeks through. Focus on Lily's wonder and the intrigue of what lies beyond. So this it, dear friends. I hope you like the story of Little Fairy Lily's adventure. You don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoons for Kids.